Hi there. I'm supposed to be talking about the beverages that I drink and if I drink them when I'm working at the computer. Well, I generally do have some water or tea or coffee while I'm working. And I'm not showing you my office right now, though, because it is a disastrous mess, I'm afraid. So instead, I decided to bring you, with my cup of after-dinner tea, to one of my very favorite rooms in our house, and this is our dining room. And I love this room because it has been filled in the past and will continue to be full of laughter and fun and great conversation with our family. My husband and I host our dinners here with our two kids and their spouses, and we do it for Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthdays, and special things that happen within our family, things that we want to celebrate. And when my husband and I come back from some of our international travel, sometimes we'll have a themed dinner and try to have some of the foods that we've had when we've been overseas. So there's been a lot of laughter and a lot of fun and a lot of great memories around this table. So I wanted to share this with you and my after-dinner tea. Cheers.